Samahan nyo kami today in this beautiful and rising city of Southern Negros kung saan makikita nyo itong Spanish-inspired cafe at dito matitikman ang masasarap na back ribs, bulalo, molo, quesadilla at marami pang iba. This cafe is Taza La Bien. You can find this inside Los Angeles Street, FZO Subdivision, Barangay 1, Cabangcalan City. 1 month pa lang ito pero dinadayo ito ng mga food enthusiasts over Negros and even from Dumaguete. Tingnan nyo naman itong halo-halo. If you miss eating halo-halo in this presentation, meron yan dito sa Taza La Bien. Higit pa dyan, magandang lugar ito for family dining, mapa-weekdays man o weekends kasi dito mahahanap ang masasarap na pagkain kagaya ng bulalo, sweet and sour pork, back ribs, gambas al ajillo, quesadilla at marami pang iba. Dito hindi ka mabibitin dahil malalaki ang servings ng kanilang mga main courses within the price range of 200 to 400 pesos. Maganda ang service at kita sa galaw ng staff nila that they are well trained in many aspects of their work kaya it's highly likely that you will get a great dining experience here. At any given day, masarap kumain ng molo dito guys. Sabay nyo na rin ang kanilang quesadilla kasi perfect combination talaga sila for merienda or early dinner. Panalo talaga and one of the best that you can find here in Negros for only 105 pesos. Masarap na siya at malaki ang serving size kaya solve na solve sa gutom mo talaga. Masarap din ang cakes nila dito and if you can check on their Facebook page, may mga birthday celebrations na rin nagaganap sa Taza La Bien. Isa itong cafe na maipagmamalaki ng Cabangcalan City and we highly recommend that you should try it here even just for simple coffee, milk tea, and dessert sessions. Expect that there will be more additions to Taza La Bien sa kanilang mga menu pati na rin sa kanilang space dahil committed talaga sila in providing great customer experience sa kanilang mga diners. Taza La Bien opens as early as 7 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays to serve affordable and healthy breakfast meals with freshly brewed coffee. O diba mga bikers dyan? Parang para sa inyo to ah!